All right, everybody, welcome back to volume 2 or chapter 2 or season 2, whatever you want to call it, for Summit Builds. And we are doing the other updates for this car. So plan today is we're going to do, as you can see here, cold air intake installation. Got the 2 filters there. Over here, I got my wire here because we're going to do a full underglow kit that you can control with the phone. And then also probably just do some exterior cleaning, and then also just we wanted to do some of that lettering on the tires. Our kids like that, so I think that's what we're going to do because it gives it a little bit of a flair when you're driving, a little bit of attitude, or whatever the case is. So what we're going to do is do that, and then hopefully be pretty close to being done with it after that. We have to get some of the dents out. We'll show you how to do that, how we're going to do that. But all in all, this has been a pretty simple project and quite a bit of fun. So, well, we'll get to it and we'll see how it all turns out. So there you have it. It's all said and done. We basically got the entire car finished. We got the front spoiler on, got all the carbon fiber pieces. We had it polished. If you come over here, we actually have the dent removed, as you can see. It's completely smooth. You wouldn't even know that that was punched in by someone originally. So we had the dentless paint removal guy do that. It looks amazing. He took out the little dimple in the door, the dimple in the hood, and the dimple on the other door. So he did a phenomenal job, and we're super happy with it. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video of the build and how it's kind of come together. It has been a little bit of a delay, but we're not done. One more video, but that's in the next one, where we're gonna actually rewrap the roof, because this is obviously stained and I'm not gonna repaint that. We're gonna rewrap the roof, and we actually got a 7-dimensional carbon fiber wrap. So what that means is it'll actually look like we did a carbon roof and this piece here, but it's a wrap. So we got a really good quality one. So we're actually gonna do that. And then we're gonna install a different rear diffuser as well. And we'll probably do a few other things, but in the next video, you'll find out. Stay tuned and we'll see you next time.